Hello, my dear lovers. This is the English explanation and summary for the episode 11 of the series Kiseki Dare to Me. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Baizonge gets a message to come to a hotel room if he wants to meet Zeroy. Baizonge asks his father about what he thinks of his relation with Zeroy. His father said that Baizonge should consider many things as they are both men and Zeroy's family is weird. But Baizonge convinces him that not to feel Zeroy responsible for whatever happened as it was not in his control. Baizonge's dad asks him to go find his happiness, that is Zeroy. Baizonge reaches to the mentioned hotel room but he finds Fanya. Fanya gives him the key to Zeroy's room but also asks him if he really wanted to go to Zeroy as Baizonge's future, which was to become a doctor, has been destroyed as he was with Zeroy. But Baizonge says that this has only regret is that he was too weak to protect Zeroy and himself, and Zeroy is the best suited person for him. Baizonge enters Zeroy's room. He was so happy to see him, but finds that Zeroy has taken sedatives with liquor and gets worried for him. Zeroy sleep talks and says he misses him and starts kissing Baizonge. It was as if he was desperately waiting to see him and missed him at the hill. They wanted to embrace that closeness, that love, which they were missing for such a long time. It was their reunion. Zeroy apologized for trying to show that he didn't remember Baizonge as he thought it was the only way to protect him. Baizonge asks him to forget everything and come back home so that they can start their life again. They just wanted to be happy being together. The other side, to impress ID, Chenny sends him a pillow printed of his photo and a card in which Chenny, only the name was written, but it was obvious of ID to reject it. The gang member asked Chenny to gift ID something he would really like. Zeroy's grandpa comes to meet Baizonge. He first tried to offer Baizonge anything he would like in exchange to leave Zeroy, as Fan family would not accept their relation. But when Baizonge refuses, he tries to threaten him. But Baizonge only wanted Zeroy's happiness and was not afraid of the grandpa's power. Zeroy was listening to all this. He made a plan. Baizonge's school friend, who was working at his cafe with him, was curious about who Zeroy is and are they two really dating, to which Baizonge says that it is a long story and later he will explain everything to her, but she was looking a bit suspicious. Zeroy keeps all the evidences against Fan family in front of Grandpa and says he would go public about it and the only thing he wants is his freedom in order to stop it from happening. His grandpa gets very angry as he didn't wanted to let go Zeroy to be with a bakery person who is a man. But Zeroy is adamant that he loves Baizonge and is going to marry him. Fanya plays along. Zeroy thanks Fanya for the help. Chenny was sleeping when he was got off guard by someone. So guys, please watch for the next episode, that is episode 12. Thank you.